Hi guys, it's Saturday afternoon and I have two girlfriends coming over to take me out for my birthday, and I want to straighten up my place because it is a hot gangsta mess right now, and I'm going to do some speed cleaning because I don't have that much time. Oh, these are cute. I have been using these reusable paper towels. It's by a brand called Papaya. Like, they have the cutest designs on them, and they're not like anything I've ever tried before. They're thicker than like a paper towel. They're basically reusable paper towels. One sheet replaces 17 rolls. And I've been using these the last couple of weeks. I've used it to do my dishes. I've used it to clean countertops. I'm just gonna use these to clean the entire apartment right now. I really like them. There's these things called Swedish dishcloths that I've gotten at IKEA before that were basically like maybe two paper towels together. But these things are so cool. They're like very absorbent. They dry really fast. It comes with this hook. Let me show you. So each Papaya paper towel has a hole cut out of the corner and comes with a cute little hanging hook. Comes in this little baggie, says you're cute, want to hang. And it might seem like a small thing, but it really makes a huge difference. It's the perfect place to hang the paper towel to dry when you're not using it. And then it's conveniently there, dry and ready for you the next time you need to grab it. So it dries much quicker, unlike sponges or washcloth that sit in the sink and get that gross mildew smell. This stays nice and fresh. Google time. 3:11 p.m. Let's see what we can get done by 4:30. I feel like cleaning always needs to start with dishes. It's just like that signals my brain that it's game on. We are going to get this place in order. And the kitchen really is the heart of the home. So even in my little apartment, we always somehow end up in the kitchen. So I knew that I wanted to at least have the sink area clean because, you know, I'm going to offer beverages and whatnot to my guests. I kind of like the pressure of having to speed clean because you can't do anything perfectly. It's like you just got to get it done. When I was a kid and if we had company coming over and I was told to hurry up and clean my room, my idea of speed cleaning was just to shove everything under the bed or shove everything into the closet, and then my room would be clean. So yeah. I was a very, very messy child, but I grew up in a messy home. It's like we never had any chores to do, and we didn't have someone coming over to clean the house. So if no one's doing chores and no one's cleaning, it's like, yeah, the place is going to be messy, and that's just how it was. And so those are kind of the habits that I adopted. I also have a really bad habit of leaving cabinet doors open. I know that used to drive my parents crazy when I was a kid because that's also another lifelong habit. So we're changing habits over here. Takes time, but overall, I'd say because I've done the decluttering and the organizing and everything has a home, it's so much quicker for me to clean up. And about a week or two ago, I organized my upper cabinets. And so just doing these little projects, one thing at a time, my house can really be tidy. It doesn't take much. The kitchen is the room that takes the longest. After I finish the kitchen, the rest of the house, I really can turbo speed through all of it. So these Papaya reusable paper towels are 100% compostable. They're all natural. $3.51. Okay, moving on to the bathroom. Kitchen's done. I'm gonna let the dishes dry and gonna move on to the bathroom. This is the paper towel half wet, half dry. Sometimes I'll do that when I'm doing a countertop. I'll kind of use half of the paper towel that's wet and then dry it on the other side. So you can use it for spills, you can use it to wipe down countertops. I'm gonna use it to wipe the windows, the mirrors, the glass. It's super, super versatile. And then when I wanna wash it, I just hand wash it with soap and water and squeeze it out and hang it up to dry. And then every 2 weeks when I do my laundry, I'll just pop it into the washing machine. You can also put it in your dishwasher and then obviously hang it up to dry. So the bathroom, I'd say took less than 10 minutes. Everything has a home. And so again, it's very quick and easy to get this room in tip-top shape. Now it's time to tidy up the living room. So my bad habit with the living room is I walk into the house and kick off my shoes, which is actually a good thing. I take off my clothes and I literally just like step out of clothes and leave them on the floor, leave them on the couch. This desk that I'm going to be donating or selling has now become a new dumping ground where I just let things hang out for a while. It's kind of like boxes that come in, things that I buy, paperwork. It's a hodgepodge mess. So it's become kind of a hot zone. It comes down to me putting things back in their place and working on getting that new habit of like not putting things down, but putting them away, which so many of you have told me to do many times in the comments. And even Samson's disappointed in me. Bedroom isn't too hard to clean up. It's mostly putting clothes away. And again, my desk just becomes a hot zone. I have this box underneath my desk that is full of papers. That's kind of like the last thing I need to tackle and come up with a system and a plan of how I'm going to handle my paper clutter. I don't know what to do about that. I don't know yet, but just clearing off the desk, putting things back. Those things that take longer, like all the paperwork that I need to process and things that I need to do, things I need to return, all of that kind of stuff is just gonna have to be done another day because this is a speed clean. But overall, things are looking good. Even my drawer for my desk still is organized. If the desk itself isn't organized, at least the drawer is organized. So I'm proud of that. Let me know in the comments, are you naturally clean and tidy, or are you on team, it's a struggle and it's something you have to work at? I'm definitely in the latter group. That's good. I finished in about an hour and 10 minutes. I have these dishes drying, and then I have trash that I'm gonna take downstairs, but I'm done with cleaning. It's not perfect, but it works. Kitchen is good. I have dishes that are drying, but I think it looks presentable enough. And then I have one bag of trash that I'm gonna carry downstairs. Here's the bathroom, clean. There's my dog. Hi, baby boy. It's pretty good in here. We can sit, we can hang. Desk is fine. And, you know, I think it looks pretty good in here as well. Not perfect, but doable. Closet has stayed very nice and clean, you guys. I'm really still very happy with this room. Okay, this is where I put all the cords, so I need to sort through this, but I don't have time right now, so that's what we're leaving it as. So thank you for hanging out. I'll probably insert some photos or videos of us hanging out tonight. I want to thank Papaya for sponsoring today's video, and I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you soon. Whew.